High above the grand halls of the British Museum lived Rosetta, a very clever raven. She loved solving puzzles and watching over the treasures below. One morning, Rosetta noticed something strange. The whispers of the artifacts had gone quiet. The golden mask from Egypt and the Greek statues were silent. Even the Roman coins were still. Worried, Rosetta flew down to the famous Rosetta Stone. The stone's 3 scripts were jumbled up and mixed together. The stone's power to unlock stories had disappeared. History itself was silenced. Rosetta knew she had to help and began searching the museum for clues. She remembered the keys of understanding, magical objects tied to wisdom. First, she flew to the bust of an ancient Greek philosopher. The philosopher's calm eyes seemed to hold endless knowledge. Rosetta touched her beak to the sculpture. A bright glow surrounded the sculpture. This was the key of wisdom. Next, she glided to the staff belonging to a mighty Egyptian pharaoh. The golden staff shimmered with the strength of a powerful ruler. Rosetta carefully touched it with her wing. Now she had the key of rule. Finally, she soared to the Roman eagle standard, a proud symbol of bravery. It sparkled in the light, as if filled with vision and bravery. A soft peck was all it took to claim the key of vision. With all 3 keys gathered, Rosetta hurried back to the Rosetta Stone. She tapped each key carefully against the stone's surface. Suddenly, the jumbled scripts began to shift and rearrange themselves. The scripts shone brightly until they were perfectly aligned once more. Slowly, the voices of history returned. The artifacts began whispering their ancient stories, filling the halls with magical tales. Rosetta flapped her wings joyfully, proud to have brought history's voice back to life. And so, Rosetta watched over the stories of the past, always ready to solve the next puzzle.